How to log into Myntra with email if you don't have access to your phone number. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. So first of all, you have to open up your Myntra in your browser. After that, you'll be able to see this interface. So you have to tap on the profile option, which is in the right upper corner, and here you'll be able to see login or sign up option. You have to click on it. So after clicking on it, you'll be able to see a box where you have to enter your phone number. So you have to simply click on it and enter your phone number. After entering, you have to click on continue option. And here you have to click on having trouble logging in, get help option. And here you have to click on I forgot my password. And after that, you'll be able to see your reset password where you have to enter your email or mobile number. Since we are trying to log in with email, you have to enter your email ID over here and you have to click on send link. And after doing that, you can check your email. There will be your link and you can change your password, and once again you can log into your account with your email address. So by following this simple step, you can log into Myntra with email if you don't have access to your phone. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.